Hey everyone, GratuiTous here. In this video, I want to talk to you about my book called FL Studio Ultimate Template Creation Guide. Create a growing template which saves you time and keeps you focused on your music. When I first discovered about creating a template, I got really excited. I created a really big template and it was great when I was using it. And then what happened was I had to go back to old projects and I realized that the template I created really didn't help me. It actually slowed me down. So even though it maybe saved me time when I was making the beat, it slowed me down when I was reopening the project to mix it and work on it later on. And so that's what this book is all about. So first of all, I talked to you about my story of the growing template. And what I'm saying there is when you create a template, your template essentially kind of grows with you. You fine tune it over time. And what I explained to you there is essentially in the next chapter is I give you an example of like a good template decision and an example of a bad template decision. So as you are starting to create your FL Studio template, and this actually applies to any software you use, you can typically always create a template to reuse over and over. The whole secret of a good template is to reduce the amount of clicks that you're doing. We talk about performance, like, when you create a template, a lot of times you can slow down your computer, you can slow down the project if you are not careful. And then I also teach you how to create your own custom template in FL Studio. And then I walk you through my own personal workflow. So this is actually a bit of a quicker book than my other books, but it does have images and it breaks down everything about what I've learned about templates over the years. And if you are someone who likes a fast workflow like I do, I'm all about always saving clicks, improving my workflow to save me time, to get better performance, better work speed. Check out this book. I promise you it will help you out. It will give you a clearer mindset. I've only written this book out of personal experience. When I first started, I heard about a template. I created a big template. I thought it was saving me time until I realized it became heavy, it became slow, it actually made me work slower and it was annoying to work with. If you can create a good template, it will allow you to work fast, it will reduce the amount of clicks, and it should be very lightweight and just improve your workflow. So check out the book if you would like to improve your FL Studio workflow when it comes to your template, and thank you so much if you purchase the book.